This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, nakasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Good morning mga kabarkada! Ako po ang inyong resident doctor, Cecil Katapang. At it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas dito pa rin sa mas pinalakas na Generation RX, kung saan siksik ang impormasyon na magiging gabay nyo tungo sa tamang kalusugan.
Well, leptospirosis is an illness that actually can infect both humans and animals, and it stays there in their kidneys, and when they urinate, it comes out and can contaminate yung mga fresh water, or it can stay there in the soil, and we can take that in, and it can infect us as well. Wala talaga siyang pinipili. Yung important dito is who is exposed to that. So kung kunyari sa lugar ninyo, mabahain, or maraming animals like yung rats or cats or yung dogs and even yung mga cows, which are common carriers of the disease. Tapos may freshwater area where they urinate or sa soil din, tapos na-expose ka, you can easily get it then. Yung test dito will make use of your blood and your urine. They can either grow yung organism there, or they can look for antibodies that are from this organism. Plus, when we test for itong leptospirosis, it's not just to detect it, it's also to see yung extent ng disease na to. Kasi it affects not only yung sa infected area where it went through, kung sa wound, hindi lang sa wound. It can affect just about every system in the body. Still sa worst case scenario, so it can affect the liver, the kidneys, the blood vessels, everything. So we have to test all those then, especially for the severe cases. Prevention of the disease kasi, one is syempre through avoiding then exposure to this, yung contamination, by having yung clean environment. And another is whenever you are exposed to kunyari flood water or fresh water that might be contaminated with the disease or the organism, you have to go see the doctor, and he or she will give you a prescription to prevent yung development of the disease. There are several ways kung paano siya makapasok. First, syempre, you have the carrier. Kunyari yung animal, mag-urinate, let's say, sa flood water. Kunyari, binahay Manila. And then, you wade through the flood water. Pwede rin kasi there's a wound there, or matagal ka nag-wade sa flood water, naging soggy yung skin mo, it could enter there, or it could actually splash sa mucosal areas, like your dito sa mouth area, sa nose area, you could inhale it, and this would spread throughout your body na, and cause yung more and more replication inside. Treatment, kasi diba there are yung spectrum of the disease. So for the mild ones, madali lang yan, bibigyan ka lang prescription ng doctor for it. You take it for several days and then you follow up. And then yung sa mga more extreme types of the disease, syempre mas gusto natin tutok dyan, antibiotics then inside the hospital. Kasi sabi ko nga, it can affect just about every part of the body, and babantayan yon carefully throughout the course of the disease. Sa mga unaware for leptospirosis, number one, for any disease, syempre, is prevention. So one way of preventing leptospirosis is keeping the environment clean, making sure na there's no way any rats could get in the area, or you can actually inhale some of the bacteria or the organism then when it's dry.
Ang ating tag photo for today ay ang pag-inom ng malinis na tubig. Sabi nga natin, Pasko na kaya marami ng handaan. Ngayon, syempre iinom ka ng tubig. Ngayon, kung medyo sensitive ang iyong tiyan, maaari kang magtae. Pinakamagandang solusyon, bring your own bottle of water. Thank you to Mr. and Mrs. Usman of Everything About Santa in Marikina, to Ever Bilena for my makeup. Sana mga kabarkada, marami kayong natutunan ngayong Sabado ng umaga na magiging gabay nyo tungo sa tamang kalusugan. 19 days na lang, Pasko na. Kami pa rin ang inyong kabarkada dito sa Generation RX. Tandaan, live healthy and travel light.